Help me guys to star, please. Okay lang. Wow! How are you, my friend? I'm okay. I'm good. You miss me, Papa Bear? Baby Dantan. Hi! Thanks for following me. Kaunti lang. So nice. You know how to speak Tagalog now. I'm from Charissa. So cute. For you, what is the meaning cherries? Papa Bird. Cherries like, namiss nila yung talikod. Wala tayong sounds. Di nga tayo naka-toaster. Sana kung naka. Ah, good. Charis. Ang ganda mo naman para sa 3 a.m. As well. I miss you guys. Namiss ko mag-live. Walang sample. Ilang tutunuan to. Hi, Den. Thank you. Thanks, Den. Miss, bakit gising pa kayo? Tamang ikot kayo sa Bigo, ha? Thank you, Den. Bahala na walang musik. Eh, anong nun? Sayo ka na ate. Sige, hi Rider, kapag ka naka 2 star tayo guys, ilan na lang? Lapit na, 70 bins na tayo. 130 to go guys. Hi, DXB. I'm from Dubai, Gcash. Gcash? Are you sure? Thank you! Bakit na agad ng buhok ko parang hindi narabang visit? Kumulot agad siya. Oh my God! Thank you, DXB!